know where they're sitting?
What I'm going to do is one person at a time. So firstly, the front person who wants to be first.
I-
Up front. Then hop on up here.
Is that shit?
Goose shit.
So this is where we're
Hopefully it
gonna
doesn't smell. And if it's
fly. We're gonna take off in probably
All right, I want
10
you to
minutes
turn
or less than
your
10
glasses.
minutes.
We're going to be taking pictures.
And for what they told me, you can do periscope on the airplane, on the helicopter, but then it cuts off as soon as you take off. So I won't be able to do the periscope on the flight. However, I'm gonna try to record some video so you guys can see the whole flight. But anyway, we're excited. We're shooting. Well, I'm shooting with the 645Z Rico from Pentax, and we're gonna get some awesome shots. But that's the bird we're gonna take up, and we'll check back with you. I'm gonna record it, and since we're gonna have to get set up, I might not be talking too much. So
The seatbelt works, but it's flat like this. It's not coming off. In order to get out, lift it like this. Okay? So I'm going to keep it loose. It just has to stay up one side. Alright, so if you want to grab that.
yeah. She's a beauty. We probably post some images if we can do some editing after we land. I'm gonna be middleman, so here's the phone. I'm not gonna take it, so if you can record, it's recording on
It's recording now?
So.
Alright, so I'll just point it at you.
So, what you're going to do, right? You're going to be sitting here, take off the landing. And you have your seatbelt on. Once I pick up the hover, you just take off the seatbelt. Climb down. And sit right here. Okay? Now, we're sitting here, and we ask for you to put your feet planted on the seat, please. And then as we're coming back in, I'll tell you, and
go, Mary, you're up. You're up. Go around the other side.
I'm gonna start. I don't know. Kill it when you want. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Hopefully.